If you want to tighten the skin around your neck, facial yoga exercises may be able to help. One exercise you can try is the pouting stretch. Stick out your lower lip like you're pouting. Hold for a few seconds, then lower your jaw. Repeat the exercise 10 times. You can also do the owl stretch. Stand up straight and pout your lips. Then take a deep breath in and slowly turn your head to look over your left shoulder. Hold for a few seconds, then do the same thing on your right. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Try upward facing dog too. Lie on the floor on your stomach and push yourself up with your arms so your hands are under your shoulders. Arch your back and tilt your chin out and up toward the ceiling. Hold for a few seconds, then repeat. One other exercise you can try is the swallowing stretch. Tilt your head back and look up at the ceiling. Then bring your tongue to the roof of your mouth, bend your head to the right, and swallow. Now bend your head to the left and do the same thing. Repeat 4 times on each side. Try to do facial yoga exercises once or twice a day for the best results.